Good morning students. Welcome back to biology class. Today we are going to talk about the fluid mosaic model of cell membrane. This model proposed by two scientists Singer and Nicholson. In 1972. Okay. What is the statement of this model? According to this model, proteins are arranged in phospholipids as mosaic pattern. Okay. Arrangement of proteins in lipid bilayer like mosaic shape. Second important point of this model, plasma membrane in the form of iceberg of proteins in a sea of lipids. Sea of phospholipids. It means आइसबर्ग मीन्स हिमशैल, बर्फ का पहाड़. सो प्रोटीन्स होती है वो आइस के जो पैकेट्स होते हैं ना, उस फॉर्म में फोस्फोलिपिड्स के अंदर अरेंज रहती है. थर्ड पॉइंट, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन और सेल मेम्ब्रेन is quasi-fluid in nature. Quasi-fluid means partially fluidity due to unsaturated fatty acids. Because phospholipid is the main component of plasma membrane and protein is the major component in phospholipids. And nature of lipid is quasi-fluid because lipid provide fluidity to plasma membrane due to presence of unsaturated fatty acids. Okay, let's see. Diagram of fluid mosaic model. So plasma membrane is composed of phospholipids, proteins and oligosaccharide means carbohydrates. हम यहाँ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन का सेक्शन ले रहे हैं बिकॉज ये तो सर्कुलर होती है. आफ्टर इन्वेंशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप, structure of function of plasma membrane are studied. It is the phospholipid bilayer. Round circle represent the hydrophobic head. Which lies towards periphery or outside, and hydrophobic tail lies towards inner side. In between phospholipid bilayer, cholesterol is also found, and cholesterol is the part of lipid. Okay. and it provide stability of plasma membrane because it is more rigid compared to phospholipid, and phospholipid provide the fluidity. Between the phospholipids, integral protein is found which form gated channel, some proteins situated outside and attached to phospholipids. These are known as extrinsic or peripheral proteins. Oligosaccharides attached to proteins, it means carbohydrates which help in cell to cell recognition, and some proteins are also attached to phospholipids which are known as glycolipids. Okay. It is the inside part of cell. This is outside of cell. It is phospholipid bilayer in this half part inner flip and half part outer flip. Inner flip region, this is outer flip region of lipids. Protein form pore or gated channel for transportation. Channel gate, these are internal or intrinsic protein. Okay. and protein attached to phospholipids towards outside are known as extrinsic or peripheral protein. These are carbohydrate attached to extrinsic protein, oligosaccharide means carbohydrate, help to cell recognition. These are glycolipids. It means carbohydrate attached to phospholipids are known as glycolipids. Inside the phospholipid bilayer, cholesterol is present, which help in stability and inside fluid is filled. Okay, student. So it is the small section of plasma membrane, and study of plasma membrane studied in electron microscope. Then this structure shown. So according to Singer and Nicholson, plasma membrane is made up of phospholipids, which made up of hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. Hydrophilic head towards periphery region, because cell membrane have two faces, outside of cell and inside of cell. Inside of cell region is known as cytosolic phase, and outside of cell region of phospholipids is known as exosolic phase, and other name outer flap and inner flap. This name given according to movement, because plasma membrane can be rotated in flip-flap movement by flippage engine. So tail region is made up of hydrocarbon chain. It means saturated and unsaturated fatty acids make the hydrophobic tail region, and phosphorus and choline region made the head region. Between this, cholesterol is found and it provides the stability of plasma membrane. During summertime, atmosphere temperature is high, and during winter, atmosphere temperature become decrease. So it also maintain the temperature. Then shape of plasma membrane is also maintained due to presence of cholesterol, but it is absent in prokaryotic cell. So stability of plasma membrane in prokaryotic cells cannot maintain by cholesterol. Instead of cholesterol, in prokaryotic cells, haploids are found. Haploids are sterols and their nature is also lipid. It means hydrophobic. And this region, it means phospholipids provide fluidity, and fluidity nature of phospholipid in plasma membrane is quasi-fluid. Okay. And between the phospholipids, icebergs of proteins are situated and they help to form channel gate to transportation of fluid. It means exchange of fluid between two cells, because lipids cannot solubilized in water. So water phobia, and all solute are dissolved in water. So transportation of solution cannot through phospholipids. Due to this, channel gate are formed by proteins. But proteins are of two types. First, extrinsic protein, and second, integral or intrinsic proteins. Extrinsic proteins easily separated by phospholipids. It means easily removed from phospholipids, but intrinsic protein cannot separate from phospholipid bilayer. Okay, so it is